Welcome everybody to your Go Markets the week ahead for financial markets video with Mike Smith, head of client education and trading and senior analyst to lead you around 5 key things the market will be watching this week. And the first one of those is, of course, that we are closed on Monday in the US for Martin Luther King Jr. Day. This is a regular holiday that pops up, and it does mean that we have a shortened week this week, which may make trading interesting later in the week. Additionally, of course, on the same day, he's back, Donald J. Trump inauguration. And of course, the markets are poised for what may happen in those first 100 days. I've actually written an article on that if you want to go and check that out. But there is debates about what may or may not happen immediately. But whichever way you slice it, markets are already responded in terms of the inflation expectations of his tariffs. We're seeing strength in the USD. We're seeing a less likely regime of Fed rate cuts, possibly 2 in 2025, although that CPI number last week could maybe increase that. But we'll wait and see, of course. Also happening now in this busy time is we started US earnings season last week. We've had some very good results in early doors with the banks reporting. Some of the major banks reported on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, respectively. All of the big banks did very well, beat expectations significantly. And we saw a little bit of pop in the financial sector because of that. Should we get a continuation of that across other sectors, it's going to be a bumper earnings season, it looks like. Possibly one thing that might upset markets this week is the BOJ. Later in the week, we have them meeting, doing their interest rate decision and press conference. And there is an increasing number of economists who are suggesting that they are indeed ready to raise rates again. Remember, they raised somewhat surprisingly last July, and the market has been debating in December and this early part of January about whether there'd be another small rate rise this week. It seems as though there is a slight majority of the BOJ members who favour a rate hike, but we shall see. Thursday is the day, so expect market volatility then. And of course, finally, we want to talk about gold again. We've seen some USD strength over the last few weeks, although we did get a little pullback towards the back end of this last week. But we see buying coming into gold, possibly an inflation hedge. And if we look at this chart, you can see there we've bounced off this 2600 level and made our way back up to 27. Really significant move towards the back end of the week. We've got stuck at this resistance around about 27.50, just that slight profit take on Friday's session. But you can see the significance of this level. We breached that. 27.50 is the next technical port of call. Now, of course, those record highs just beneath 2800 are in sight. One to watch in the early part of the week. We may even see some buying in the Asian session. That's our 5 things to keep an eye on this week that we think could be significant across asset classes. Of course, we'll give you a daily live market update as always, and our charts of the day at 12:30 p.m. Melbourne time every day. And don't forget also our regular trading education session, 8 p.m. every Wednesday. Join us at our inner circle. And of course, if there's anything we can help you with along the way, please give us a call. We're always here to help. Have a great week. Trade safe and see you again soon. Bye bye for now.